Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you the most insightful and honest beauty reviews to help you make informed decisions. Today, I have something a bit different. Something that blends luxury, comfort, and practicality. If you're a beauty professional or just someone who loves the occasional self-care ritual, this review might be for you. We're talking about the Yaheetech massage table, a portable and adjustable spa bed that could be your new favorite companion for at-home treatments or even on-the-go services. This versatile piece of equipment is designed with flexibility and ease in mind, and it's ideal for both beauty professionals and home users. It offers adjustable features like height and backrest, making it perfect for a variety of settings, whether it's a spa, a tattoo studio, or your own personal space. Let's dive into the details. The Yaheetech massage table is a foldable, portable unit that provides great convenience. Once you're done with your session, it folds up neatly into a compact carrying case complete with secure clasps, which makes it super easy to store or transport. So, if you're a mobile therapist or someone who wants to save space at home, this could be a game changer. One of the standout features is its adjustability. The table offers 8 height options and an adjustable backrest, allowing you to tailor it to your exact needs. Whether you're giving a facial, doing lash extensions, or even performing a massage, you'll appreciate how customizable it is. The headrest and armrests are also fully adjustable, with a quick lock system for easy angle changes, which makes it even more user-friendly. Now let's talk about how it feels in real life. Setting it up is a breeze. There are no tools required, so you can unfold it, extend the legs, and attach the accessories in seconds. It's hassle-free and perfect for anyone who's short on time or prefers a more straightforward setup. In terms of comfort, the cushioning is quite generous. It's filled with soft sponge and covered with smooth PVC leather, which gives a luxurious feel while also being easy to wipe clean after every use. The sturdy aluminum alloy frame ensures that the bed stays solid, even under pressure. I've used this for everything from lash treatments to a quick back stretch, and I can honestly say it holds up well under use. Now, no product is perfect. One thing I noticed is that while the design is sleek and portable, the weight of the table might be a bit of a challenge for some. If you're someone who has to carry it around a lot, it could feel a little heavy when folded, though I wouldn't say it's a deal breaker. The fact that it's so sturdy makes it a little heavier, but that's the trade-off for the solid build quality. When it comes to value for money, this table is a solid investment. You get a lot of features for the price, especially the adjustability and ease of use. It's not an overly expensive item, and considering how practical it is for professionals or at-home users, I'd say it's worth the price. If you're someone who prefers a budget-friendly option, you might find cheaper alternatives out there, but most won't offer the same level of adjustability or build quality. Some tables in this range might not be as durable or as easy to set up, so if you're looking for something that's both functional and reliable, this is definitely a solid choice. As for build quality and longevity, I was really impressed with the overall sturdiness of the frame and cushioning. The PVC leather is easy to clean, and the cushion has remained comfortable after several uses. This table feels like it will last for a while, which is a plus if you're using it regularly. In terms of customer support, I've heard positive things about Yaheetech's responsiveness, but since I didn't need to contact them directly, I can't speak from personal experience. However, from the reviews I've seen, the brand tends to handle inquiries and issues quite efficiently. Wrapping up, the Yaheetech massage table is a solid, portable, adjustable, and comfortable option for anyone in need of a reliable beauty or massage bed. It's easy to set up, offers plenty of customization in terms of height and position, and feels sturdy and well made. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.